For today's project, we are here in Coventry, working on an end of terrace property built in the 1960s. Our client has been suffering from subsidence and structural movement and been dealing with his insurance company for over 2 years now. We were instructed by the insurance company after they had carried out all their site investigations, so SI reports and drainage surveys had already been carried out. This enabled us to come up with and devise a treatment plan very quickly. This entailed going down to depths of 5 metres deep and also worked around a main line foul drainage line underneath the property. Our technology enables us to go down to depths of 10 to 12 metres. Our client here has been going through a very stressful time. It's almost 2 years this claim has been going on, and when you have an issue like subsidence in your property, it can be very, very stressful. But ultimately, we fixed this problem and solved it for him in 2 working days. So after 2 years, I'm really happy. I know the team are really happy, but we've helped our client resolve it once and for all, and he can carry on living in this property stress-free.